Hey everyone, welcome to the first video of Poper Academy. I'm Karan, your host, and I'm super excited to get started on this journey with you guys. And in this video, we'll be walking through the basic steps of getting started with Popper, including how to sign up, connect your domain, and give you an overall tour of the platform. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. So to start using Popper, what you have to do is you have to come to Poper.ai. It's simple, Poper.ai, and you can sign up from here or here. Right now I'm just clicking on this, and after that you have to click on create a free account. Okay, and you can sign up using Google, Facebook, or using your email address. So right now I'll use my email address. I'll enter my name, my email address, and then I'll click on sign up, then enter a password. Google will suggest you a strong password, so I'll use it as of now. Then I think I'll get an email or the verification code. Let's check my email. Yeah, here is the verification code. I'll copy it and then I'll paste it here, then click on sign up. And yeah, so now I have successfully signed up. Then I have to complete some steps to get into the dashboard. I have to enter my company name, what's my main goal with the Popper. So it will help us to customize your dashboard according to your needs. So please fill it accordingly. So right now I'll just enter lead collection for my campaign. Right, and from where you have heard about Popper, suppose I heard it from one of my friends, so I'll write from my friend, and then I'll have to click on continue. Then I'll have to enter the domain name. So for now I have a sample domain. I'll copy and I'll paste it there, and yeah, so it's done. From here you can choose a plan according to your needs, depending on page views and whatever AI credits you need. You can start from basic, then growth, then scale. And if you're enterprise, you can click here. And if you haven't figured out like what plan you should go with, you will just click on I'll decide later or try for free, or else what you can do is you can book a demo and one of us will help you in choosing the best plan according to your need. For now, I'll just click on I'll decide later. Here it is. And this is a clean Popper dashboard. You can see everything from one place, like what's going in your campaign, whether there are some new tips and tricks, and there are so many things we are working on right now, like AI and other stuff that will be here, and some of the things will be appearing here soon. So yeah, stay connected. So this is our onboarding checklist, and you have to complete each of these 5 steps to make sure that you get most out of Popper. Okay, so the first step is to connect and verify your website. So to connect and verify your website, you need to click on this connect website button. And here is our domain that we have already entered. So now we have to click on this not verified button. So we can verify our website using custom code. We have to paste it in the header section of our website, or else if you have a WordPress website, what you can do is you have to simply install our WordPress plugin, and then you have to enter the email address by which you have created account on Popper, and you have to enter it. Then you have to click on verify and it's done. So let's start with the first one, which is custom code. So to install Popper using custom code, what you need to do is you have to copy this Popper embed code below and you have to paste it in the head section of your website. So what I'll do is I'll simply copy this, then I'll go to my cPanel, and in the cPanel you have to find the file manager, which is here over the file section. After that, you have to go to the website's directory, which is popperdemo2.electrical.com in our case. Then you have to go to the header.php. Then I'll click on this edit button, edit. Then what I'll do is I'll simply paste the code over here, and after that I have to click on this save changes. Once everything is saved, I'll have to go back to the Popper website, and then I have to simply click on this verify now button, and it will take some time, and yeah, it's done. So the domain verification is complete, and see the verification is done. So now we have completed the first step in our onboarding checklist. So now let's head over to the second step, which is to create our first campaign. And to create our first campaign, we have to simply click on this design Popper button. So I'll simply click on this. Now we have a pop-up where, you have to select which type of campaign you are going with. So we have pop-ups, widgets, videos, and there are many more things that are coming soon. So for now, we'll start with pop-up. And this is a window where you can see, like, you have to name your pop-up, you have to select the campaign for which you are creating the pop-up, and you can create pop-ups from templates. You can start from scratch, or you can use our AI, Poper.ai. It's still in beta, so results might not be as good as you were expecting. So for now, let's start with writing the name. So I will simply write Halloween pop-up 1, and my campaign will be Halloween sales or something like that. Then I'll click on choose from templates. So we are at the templates page of Poper, and you can see we have more than 300 plus pop-ups readily available for you guys, so that you can easily start your journey and collect emails or increase the conversion rate of your website. So for this tutorial, we have selected the Halloween theme. So I'll search for Halloween and let's see what we are getting. And yeah, we have 2 pop-ups here, and we'll be adding so many Halloween templates soon because Halloween is coming. So for now, we'll start with this template. So I'll simply click on this, and I'll just tell you that our canvas is very neat and clean, and you can easily drag and drop and do things in our canvas, and you don't need to be a designer to get started and to use our canvas. You can easily drag and drop and do things. And yeah, so this is a template, and I think this is a get coupon code template. So this is kind of stuff, and this is the thing you will get. So I'll simply make it a little bigger so that it looks good. Yeah, and it should be center aligned. Cool. And then what else we can do? This is the main pop-up, scale up, saving. Okay, it's looking fine, and you can adjust dimensions from here. It's very easy. You can make it like this. You can centralize here. I think it's looking okay. Yeah, this is fine. I'll increase height a little bit. Let's see how it looks. No, it's not looking good. Margin, okay, this is fine. Because in our research, we found out like poppers which are, kind of appear from the right hand sides have higher click rate or higher conversion rate. So I'll make it that way. Okay, I will simply this up, and also working on the tutorial in which I will tell you how to create a pop-up from scratch. So get ready for it as well. Animations, I don't want animation. Okay, that's fine. And from here, if you are not liking the template, you can change from here, and you can also search from our template gallery as well. And yeah, so I think global setting is fine, dimension is cool, background color is clickable. No, we don't want to make it clickable. Fill font, okay, shadow. Is it looking cool with shadow? No. Advanced, no, advanced is hide close button. So we recommend only this feature only for widgets. And then you have text, button, images, GIFs, videos, inputs, checkbox, phone, phone for WhatsApp or other stuff. Then ratings drop down. We have so many elements that you can add to your pop-up and make it more interactive. And when someone click on this get coupon code, then it will go to this success, and he will get a 20% off coupon. So I think it should be bigger. Yeah, it's fine now. And what else we can do? I think it's looking fine. So after that, I'll also check it in the mobile. And the thing is that our mobile canvas is different from our PC canvas. So whatever changes you are doing in mobile stays in mobile. So what I'll do is I'll increase the width. So yeah, now it's looking fine. The success thing. I'll increase width of it as well. For mobile, I'll make it a little small. Okay, yeah, it's fine, I think. Then after everything is complete, you have to click on this next button. So after here, we are at the trigger section. So in triggers, you have the different settings, like when your pop-up should load, whether it should load after a user scrolls to a certain point, whether it's exit intent, whether the user is inactive, or when he clicks on certain page or certain button, or when it's hovering to a certain point or certain time. So let's do after page load. So after a few seconds, so I want it to appear after my page load, and it should be 10 seconds, and then I'll simply click here and let's see whether the setting is applied or not. So yeah, it's done. You can play around with these triggers, and I'll go into them one by one in the later videos. For now, it's just an overview. So after that, you can select pages, like in all pages I want, or on any specific page, or like if I have created a Halloween themed page, I only want in that page, so I can select that as well. So yeah, for now, I'll just select on this all pages. Then I'll go to frequency, like for when I want my pop-up to appear, like every page view, every session, once every 5 seconds. So what I want is, I want it to be after converting. So when my pop-up should appear, so it should appear on every page view, and it should stop displaying after the user is converted. So when the user have already claimed the 20% discount, so it will stop displaying the pop-up to it. And I'll select the device, like in which device I want to show the pop-up. So I have selected desktop as well as mobile, so it will be appearing in all the devices. And the audience target, like to whom I should target, like new visitors, returning visitors, it's fine. Geolocation, you can select different geolocations. Then you can select countries as well. You have India, United States. You can target specific states as well. Then you can target different cities in the state as well, so you can play around it with. Then we have Shopify browser, traffic source, from where the user are coming, you want to target that, you can target them as well. For now, I'll just keep it as it is, and I'll click on next. Then we have integration. You can integrate with so many integrations. Right now we have more than 60 plus integrations, and we are continuously adding more. So yeah, right now we don't want any integrations, but in the upcoming videos, I'll show you how to integrate with, different platforms, and I'll make separate video for all and every integration that we have. So for now, everything looks fine, and then I'll click on next. And yeah, so it's the final step, and it's the overview of whatever we have done. So our trigger is after page load. So, and our devices are desktop, mobile, and frequencies every page views, and I think it's look fine. And this is AI thing which will do something like it will change according to the web page. So if you have turned on this setting, then you don't need to create pop-ups for every single web page. So what it will do is, it will read your headings, subheadings, and text of your website, and it will change the pop-up according to the web page. And it's experimental, so the results might not be as you are expecting. And after everything is complete, you have to click on save and publish. So yeah, it's done, and our pop-up is active, and it's in the Halloween sales campaign. You can change the campaign name, you can duplicate it, you can delete it from here. It's in the campaign section. Let's go back to the dashboard and let's see how things are going. So we have completed the first step, second step, and analyze your pop-up is already done because we have gone to the campaign section, so it's done. And yeah, so now what we have to do is, let's go to our website and let's see whether the pop-up we have created is live or not. So what we have to do is, we have to copy this and we have to open it in new tab, and let's see whether it's working or not. Okay, so we made the setting that it should appear after 10 seconds or 5 seconds. I'm forgetting, so let's wait for a while and let's see whether it comes or not. So yeah, here is a pop-up, and yeah, it has some kind of crazy animation, so you can see, yeah, it's looking fine. And you can change according to the theme of your website, the colors, the templates, all according to the website. Maybe I should use this color instead of this orange. Okay, and after that you have to click on this get coupon. There is the coupon, and when I'll click on this, it will say coupon is copied. So yeah, it's working fine. Everything looks cool, and we have successfully completed these steps. So now we have almost completed our checklist. There are only 2 steps that are pending. So let's start with invite your team member step, and we'll see the integrate with other platforms step in the next video. For now, let's start with this, and I have to click on this add teammates button. Then here I have to click on this button, and then I'll have to enter the email, and then I'll have to select the permissions, like which type of permission I want to give. So I just don't want to give this permission, this permission. Okay, analytics is fine. Lead, I just don't want to give this permission. So I just want to make sure that I'm making him you can say a moderator. Manage team, I just don't want to give. Then I'll click on the invite button. So after that, what I have to do is I have to go to the email, and then I'll have to wait for the email to arrive. So now I can see I have the invitation email. So what I'll do is I'll copy the link and I'll paste it in the incognito mode. And let's see. Yeah, it's saying success redirecting you in 5 seconds. So yeah, we got the invitation and we are inside the domain. And now let's go back to our Popper and let's see whether it's done or not. Okay, so we have added my other email. So yeah, it's done. So before ending the video, let's see other things in the dashboard. So here is join community. By clicking this, you can be part of the Popper community where you can get the updates, you can share feedback, and you can also see our roadmap and what are the next big things that are coming in Popper world. And from here, you can see the updates, like what are the things that are coming, the roadmap and other stuff. Here is the setting. Here you can see the profile. Yeah, here is the profile. You can change your name, your email address, other stuff. Then we have, verify domain, that is used to verify your domain. Then here is the usage. Usage is, kinda tell you like how much you have used Popper and what's the limit. And right now we are at the free plan, so you can see 10K is our limit. You can use AI credits, 50 AI credits. You can add one website. Then we have billing. Okay, so you can see our plans are starting from $7 only if you pay annually, and it may soon increase. So you have to grab the offer as soon as possible. Then you have API keys that are used for developing kind of stuff. We will see it in the next videos. Then we have integration keys, and then we have GDPR. So it will make sure that pop-ups and leads that you are collecting shouldn't be stored in the Popper's database. So these are stuff. Then we have help section from where you can get the help. If you're stuck somewhere, then you have the roadmap. You can see what are the things that we are doing and what are the things that are planning next. So yeah, there are so many things that we are working on right now. So stay connected. And apart from this, then we have tips and tricks where you can see all the things that you can do with Popper and how you can efficiently use Popper. And apart from this, we have campaigns that you have already seen. Then we have analytics where you can see how many page views you have got, what are the conversion rate, other stuff like from where are your top sources, from where the traffic is coming, what is the top operating system, then browser, pages, other stuff, on which country your website is popular and from where you are getting high conversion. You can track all that. You can also download the report from here. And here, if you can see, we have the lead section, and from here you can download all the leads that you have collected by using your Popper. So right now we have Halloween pop-up that we have created, but it is not a lead collection pop-up, so you can't see any lead over here. This is a website section. Then we have manage your team. From here you can add a team member, you can delete a team member or other stuff. Then we have billing that you have already seen. Then you can see we have embed. Then if you find any bug, you can click on this and you can report a bug to us and we will try to fix it as soon as possible. So yeah, that's it for this video now. Hope you guys get an overview of Popper and how to use it. In the next video, we will deep down into other things that you can do with Popper and how you can increase the conversion rate of your website, and also we'll see how widgets can increase the interactions and retention rate of the site. So yeah, stay tuned and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.